reflecting on the sweep of where we are now as a nation, what would you be saying at this time to, all of us that are carefully listening? How do we make success out of the path we're on and the future we want to have?
Our first task is to rediscover some common purposes and to understand what the long-range objectives of this country should be in some unified way. And then we can apply that confidence we might develop through this process to the concrete issues that have been mentioned in this discussion. I am deeply worried about the nature of our domestic debate at the moment, and that then makes everything we do a sort of a technical project in relation to a specific issue. But the specific issues, if Ray and I are right, are a reflection of a process that is going on. And we have to learn to think about these processes and how to manage them. I would say that's our preeminent task. Then I'm pretty confident we'll solve the technological problems because we're good at that if we know the purposes. But we cannot do it simply solving daily problems. We have to learn to think in historical terms.
Ray, you're the author of this remarkable book. I'm going to give you the last word. I'm going to say final concluding thank yous, but I give you the last word here.
Once again, Henry and I see this alike. The capacity that we have, we've never had in the world the highest per capita income that we have. We've the most wealth, most technology. It's really we have the capacity, if we deal with these things correctly, to avoid that and go on and have a better living standard than ever. It's all within us. I like Henry's word about worry. He and I have talked about this. One of the reasons we wanted to do this is because I believe, and he believes, that if we worry, we don't have to worry. And if you don't worry, you need to worry. Because if you worry about these things, then will pay attention to eliminate or reduce the risks of the things you're worrying about. But if we don't worry about these things, then we are not going to do that. So the worrying about the war, the worrying about these types of conflicts, I think can be a motivation to move on and to dig deep within ourselves to be the best people we can in terms of dealing together with what is our common interest.